Do you know you can get over 300 to 1k subscriber from a YouTube short? Yes, in this video I'll be teaching you step by step on how you can get over 300 subscribers on a YouTube short. This procedure has worked for me and also for many channels, so I want to be sharing it for you on this video. So welcome back guys to this channel. In today's video I want to teach you on how I got over 300 subscribers, and you can also try this on your channel. It can give you over 1k subscriber on your YouTube channel. So do well to like this video, drop a comment, and also give me a thumbs up on this video. Should in case you are seeing my video for the first time, in this channel I teach people on how you can get more subscribers, how you can grow as a content creator or as a YouTuber, and also how you can edit your video. So do well to like this video, drop a comment, and also share to your WhatsApp status. So let's dive into the video. So what I do, let me first go to my YouTube studio. Then let me click on my content so I can show you how I got many subscribers on that video. Let me go to short. Let me scroll. Yes, this is a particular video that gave me more than 300 subscribers. As you can see, I get over more than 400 likes, 409 likes, 136 comments, 136 comments here, and 7,400 views. So let me click on the video, and the video is 1 minute long. And let me show the video. Let me click on my analytics. As you can see guys, the video gave me more than 7,000 views. Let's start from this place. As you can see, the first is how it gave me subscriber. This is the views. So let me show you how the views came. So I uploaded this video on the 7th February 2026. So the first view, 1,194 views in the first 5 hours. So till we reach this place, I got over 7,000 views, 7,491 views till now. The first 24 hours, as you can see, I got 1.4k views from short field, YouTube research, 68, channel page, and other features and browser features. So let's go to the subscriber aspect. As you can see, I got 314 subscribers from this particular video, and I will be showing you the tricks in this video. So let me click on the subscriber. So as you can see, I uploaded the video 10:54. I first got 16 subscribers till at 11. Let me check. It's now 11 o'clock. This is 11:54. I got 175 subscribers till this place. I got, so on the 25th of February I got 314 in total, 314 subscribers. So in less than 24 hours I got over more than 200 subscribers from this particular one video. So my audience retention, as you can see, 52% of your viewers are still watching around 30 seconds mark, as you can see. So let me click the reach of this particular video. As you can see, 7,400 views. 7,400 views.
So engage. Let me see the engagement. As you can see, 4,400 people engage on these views. They watched the video very well, and they also rewatched. As you can see. Yes, how viewers engage. 72.1% stay to watch this video. So this means that 72.1% of my audience stay to watch this video very well, and 27.9% swiped away. So it's good like this. So let me check my audience. As you can see, 314 subscribers. So let me teach you the particular way how you can watch the video. As you can see, my top geographies: United States is 57.4%, United Kingdom 6.1%, Philippines 4.9%, South Africa is 3.8%, Canada is 3.4%. So let's go to our YouTube app, so I can teach you how you can get this subscriber also. So let's go there. So what we're gonna do is we are going to go to our YouTube. So go to our YouTube app, then we search for Prosperity Hex. So we search for it. So this is the person that is giving us. This is the person video that is going to give us the subscriber. This person. So we're gonna click on view channel, and if you have not subscribed, make sure you subscribe to the channel. So we click on it. So yes, this is the video. As you can see, this person just only posted 5 videos, just 5 videos, and it got over more than 174k subscriber. So what we're gonna do is just for us to check one of this video, the one that's going to give us. So let's just choose.
If I say something about you, you're out. Let's go.
What we're gonna do is just for us to collab with this person. We're gonna collab with this person. So collab with him. So we click on it, then click on collab. Click on collab. So
if I say something about you, you're out. Let's go with the first challenge.
So what we're gonna do is just to adjust this one up, this time duration here. The time duration, we're going to adjust it to like 1 minute. Just click on it. Okay, they gave us 53 seconds. So what we're gonna do is for us to drag this one, drag it like this.
If I say something about,
and click on next. Click on next. So it's going to load. After loading, we're gonna know what to do next. So after you might have chose the video, so what you are going to do next is for you to click on the mute the mic. As you can see, the arrow is pointing to that place, so you're gonna mute the mic. So after muting the mic, click on record. So you click on the record button where the arrow is pointing to. So click on the record button. So
if I say your brother or sister's name, you're out. I'll start with the rarest ones. If your brother or sister's name is Jasper or Priya, you're out right away. If their names are Owen, Sarika, or Kenji, bye-bye, buddy. Still in the game? Leave a like so I know who's still here. Now, I'll say some more common names, but still kind of rare. If your brother or sister's name is Lucas, Maya, or Rajiv, you're out. Finn or Chloe. See you later, alligator. Subscribe if you love your siblings. Ryan and Isabella, you're out too. And if your brother or sister is the first person that appears when you click share and then more, you're out. Comment your brother or sister's name so I can include it in the next video. And for the final name, I'm going all out. If your brother or sister's name is Ethan or Aurora,
so as you can see, the video is loading. We're gonna wait for some period of time for it to load, so you can put our title and our hashtag and also our description.
out right away.
So what we're gonna do is for us to click on next. Click on next. Click on next. So what we're gonna write is she guessed your sister's name. She guessed your sister's name. Then we put hashtag short, hashtag viral, hashtag, let's put hashtag funny, hashtag YouTube short. Then what we're gonna do next is for us to set this one. We're gonna put not made for kids. So let me add my related video and put one of my video there. So we just click on no. Then what we're gonna do next is for us to click on upload. But before you upload, make sure you copy the title and the hashtag, copy it and paste it inside your description. Paste it like this. Let me just put this one like this. So click on upload.
Bye.
So it's going